Hey there, quick review on these Magic Pants space-saving hangers. Really cool product. So essentially it'll hang down like this, but then it will fold up and allow you to slip your pants over these rods like so, and then you can drop it back down and you can hang 5 pairs of pants and it won't take up very much space. One thing you do need to keep in mind with this is that whenever you want to put the pants on the hanger here, you need to have enough space to be able to bring it up and hang it like so. Otherwise it would be pretty tricky to try and get the pants on without lifting this up, though I'm sure you could do it. So keep that in mind. You're going to need that much space whenever you want to put pants on the hanger. The product quality is excellent. The finish is excellent. Just all around a great idea. So if you're looking for a space-saving solution for pants in your closet, this is absolutely excellent. Save you a ton of space. You can hang 10 pairs of pants in a very small area. So definitely recommend it. Nice product.